Hey, welcome back. You guys probably, or some of you probably saw the run with the BX31 belt. Unfortunately for me, I've got to get back in here, and I don't think I have enough weight in the Variator. I thought I put in 24 grams, but it just doesn't seem to be spinning up, or it gets hung up at about 20 miles an hour. And so I guess I'm going to add a little bit of weight to that, and you guys get to come along for the ride. I'll try to do this a little quicker. Last time I wasn't ready with everything I needed. Well, I thought I had everything I needed, but I didn't. So, those things happen. These bolts, some are longer than others. So, when you take them out, kind of put them down below in a similar arrangement so you can get them back in the right spots. Now I thought I'd done, I know I've done a video with this thing off before and putting the belt on, but maybe I wasn't clear in how to go about it. So we removed these 8 bolts, we removed the Kickstarter. And this one has this special hose guide on it, so don't forget that. Alright, there's 8. And generally, I push in this spindle, kickstart spindle, to hold the gears in place. And on this one, the gears seem to hold in place better than anything I've had before. Alright, I guess I'll try to link to everything I have. So this is a piston stop, and I'll link to where you can get this exact piston stop. You just take out the spark plug and screw it in place with the spark plug to stop the piston, which I'm doing now. Hopefully I don't need to show that on camera. So screw it in, and then the BX1 is already in, or BX1, the BX31 is already installed. My purpose is to get this Variator off and add some weight to it. And so I got a 17 millimeter. See, there's the piston stop going into effect. So we got a nut and a washer and this, I don't know, Variator face or this face. Now, you want to try to leave the gears in place so you don't have to mess with those, hopefully. Hopefully no one's been in there already. And off comes the variator. And I'm going to remove these 3 screws. A lot of times this cap right here is hard to get off. This just goes in here, but we can take it out for now. And so you can kind of like get the handle of a screwdriver or something and put it in this way and try to push that face off if it's difficult to come off. So off camera, so we don't offend anybody because I'm taking too much time, I will unscrew these 3 small bolts.